Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Amazing cars cleaning. So now I put some water in this big truck and then I will check how many cars in this truck. Okay everybody, let's check and clean with me. I will clean one by one. Firstly, I have to bring this trash out. Okay, firstly I clean this one. This one is a metal car with number 2. It is a racing car, but now it is getting old. Racing car number 2 with a red color. Okay, let's go to the next one. It is also a racing car. A racing car number 2 with black color. How about this one? I think it is a nice mini car. This one from Hot Wheels. But the body is similar to a school bus. Now check the next one. This one is a dinosaur. This one is a dinosaur race car. Let's go to check the next one. It's also red car. Okay, let's go to the next one. This one I don't know the name. This one very strange. Okay, now check the next. Number 59, racing car. Number 59, racing car too. This one is like a bird car. number 7. Okay everybody, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Okay, thank you for watching again. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Okay, finally I have to clean the speaker jack.